Okay, good morning, class. And this is our history class, and we did the earliest people introduction. That is, the second chapter of history was taken up by us as an introduction. Though Neha ma'am had taken it earlier, I had sent you the introduction properly so that you know what the second chapter was, and then we came on to the first chapter, the first farmers and herders. So first was I had sent you a video of an introductory chapter of the second chapter where I just covered up all the portions which were dealt in the second chapter. Then I had sent you an explanation called Explanation 1, where I began with the introduction of the third chapter, Farmers and Herders. Then I had sent you Explanation 2, which was of domestication of animals, etc., in continuation of the chapter after Farmers and Herders. So these two explanations I had sent you already. Now today I will be sending you a third explanation also. We'll cover up the entire chapter till the end. Clear? So after this class, you'll be getting a proper third explanation of the entire chapter. Now you can go through that, but for the time being, right now, just take out your books and open the question answer section. Open the question answer section. I would be putting you on screen sharing and I will try out a few things right now. I hope I'm clear, I'm visible. Is the screen visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
is it visible now? Visible now? One of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am.
ठीक है, ठीक है. चलो. Now this screen will be open and we will quickly do exercise A and B. Okay. Come to the first one, multiple choice questions. Number one, man became a food producer from a food gatherer during which age? The answer is 1C, Neolithic age. And number two, which of the following was not an important invention or discovery of Neolithic age? The answer is discovery of fire. 2C. Discovery of fire was done before the Neolithic age. Between Mesolithic and Neolithic age, this discovery was done. Okay. Now, number three, which were the first animals to be domesticated by Neolithic people? The answer is 3D, all of these. All of these means sheep, goats, dogs, all are the answers. Okay, so D. 4. Which of the following Neolithic sites is located in Kashmir? The answer is 4B, Burzahom. Number 5. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Come to D. Early man did not believe in life after death. Now this is incorrect. Why? Because he did believe in it. When you go through the explanation, then you will know. Number 6. Period between 4500 BC and 3500 BC is referred to as 6B, Chalcolithic age. Number 7. During the Chalcolithic period, tools and vessels were made of, answer is D, both A and B. That means they were made of copper and stone. Coming to B exercise, match the following. Number 1, pit houses will match with C, underground houses, 1C. Number 2, Chalcolithic period matches with copper vessels, 2D. Neolithic site matches with Burzahom, 3E. Number 4, jade matches with 4A, precious stones. Number 5, potter's wheel matches with pots of different sizes, 5B. So Check it again. 4A, 5B, 1C, 2D, and 3E. Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I stopped the sharing. Don't go anywhere. And I'll be sending you the explanation. And you will be going through the explanation. I'll be sending all the explanations so that you have all the explanations at one place and you can start going through the videos. Then I gave you the diagrams which you're supposed to do. Did I tell you the diagram? Have I told you the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see that you do the diagram as told and see that you do the glossary as it is told. And then next time when we meet, then we'll do exercise CD and E. Okay? Chalo, take care for now. Open your mic.
Hi, ma'am.